Hello, today I'm talking about garlic. It's a really easy crop to grow, great for anybody who's new to gardening, and it's something that we always like to grow in the garden. We planted this crop back in, I think something like October or November time, and it's now the start of July and it's ready to harvest. How do we know it's ready to harvest? Well, I think that the leaves just look a bit ugh. They've just flopped over and they don't look like they're going to put much effort in anymore, and so that's how I gauge it. So once the leaves start to go and once they start to brown at the ends, then that's the time ideally to lift your garlic. So this is a great time of year, and what this does is this frees up a bit of space to start growing some summer crops like salad crops like lettuce and things like that. So it's good to get them out of the ground now while it's nice and warm, and what they can do is you can leave them out on the beds to dry and then they store really well. This crop that I've grown here is called Casablanca, but there are many different varieties that you can choose from. So all you have to do when you're harvesting garlic is I use a fork to get in and around the roots so that you're not pulling up the roots, because what you need to be doing is lifting the bulbs and keeping them whole like that, and also keeping some root on there. And the roots have to sort of dry out. Don't cut those off yet, don't be tempted to cut anything off yet, just leave them like that until they're fully dry. I tend to leave them for 4 or 6 weeks or something like that, and I'll store them in the greenhouse once I've lifted all of this crop. So this is a really quick video. It's a great crop for any beginner to grow, and I hope you've got something from this video. And now in July in the UK is the time to be harvesting your garlic. Thanks very much for watching, and if you like this video I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up below. If you've got any questions then please leave them in the comments and I'll try and get back to you. If you like this content and you'd like to see more, then please subscribe to my channel. And once again, thanks for watching.